What it do, y'all? Y'all, we outside and it's cold as hell. But we're gonna get into this vlog. So y'all, I am about to reorganize my entire shit because it's a mess and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. But y'all can't judge me. I don't wanna hear no judgment in the freaking comments. But y'all already know what it is. Before we get into this vlog, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so know every time I post. And make sure y'all follow on Instagram and TikTok at JasmineLove. Y'all, I got my fit with my boots on because you see the dogs? It be dog poop out here. Alright, so let me tell y'all. So real quick, so I got 10 of these. I got these. They're 27-gallon containers. I got 10 of these, and it comes with the lid for $6.97. So I spent like $74 and some change for 10 of these. You know, of course, with tax. But I think it's a pretty good size. But my problem that I'm having is, all right, what I tell y'all, no judgment now. Look, I can barely open the doors. All right, so y'all, it's so much stuff in here. It's stuff everywhere. So like this stuff over here is pretty much organized, but like all this stuff, I gotta get this stuff together. So it's $149. So I'm about to try to organize all of this stuff. I got totes for like Christmas ornaments. Well, honestly, I think the Christmas stuff is already kind of together, but like I need to figure out what I have because I got too much stuff and it's just stuff everywhere. So y'all, we're gonna get into this. All my October stuff, like Halloween stuff, that needs to go somewhere. Door decorating for Christmas, that needs to go somewhere, like all that type of stuff. But yeah, it's stuff everywhere, and I'm gonna label everything because it's just gonna make it easier for me. All right, y'all, so let's get into this. Oh wait, did I tell y'all I got these from Home Depot? Yeah, Home Depot. Sam's Club has them too. But they're for like $7 and some change. But yeah, I'm about to put some gloves on because it's cold, and yeah, I got my boots. Y'all know I do the boots. When I'm outside in the grass, it's the boots. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get into this. Pray for me. All right. Y'all, so I got new totes because as you can see, I be struggling trying to get these out, and I got all big totes. It's too difficult for me, so I got smaller totes. It's just a lot easier. All right. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. I got some trash bags because there's some stuff that I know I need to throw away. I want to sweep in here. So yeah, because this thing has little tiny holes and stuff, I get mice in here. So I definitely want to sweep in here and stuff. And see, it's a hole right here. I need to figure out all of this stuff. But this stuff is pretty much together. This is all my fabric for when I sew and stuff. And then I have everything up there, like all my this is all of my party stuff. Like, not all of it, because most of it is like in the totes and stuff. But I have some of my stuff, like balloons and stuff like that, which I know I shouldn't leave out here, but whatever. And then my jugs for like when we have tea, like the parties and stuff like that, the dispensers, and then all the Mills little bubbles. The blow up moon bounces right here, and then back there I think are like sewing machines. This is party stuff. I think these are clothes. Yeah, these are clothes, which I need to go through and figure out what I want to keep and what I don't. These are like Mel's playpen. The playpen is right there, and then the thing that goes at the bottom of the playpen is right there. That's her crib over there. These PVC pipes, I think I'm gonna get rid of. I was gonna make like a balloon box for the balloons to go through, but I'm not gonna do that, I don't think, anymore, because I've had it for so long. I think I just want to toss it. This is her first mattress. So basically, I was keeping stuff for when we have another child. We won't have to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Like, at least we'll still have the crib and all of that stuff. So I really wanted to keep that stuff. That's why I kept it. And then like her car seat is right here, her first car seat. So when we have another kid, I could literally just use that car seat instead of buying a new car seat and stuff. And then the rest of this stuff, like all of this stuff, this is Onyx's stuff. I need to get him to go through it. That's a roaster. And then those are our suitcases. This is more of his stuff. So I think he's going to go through this stuff too and figure out what he wants to keep and what he doesn't. And then this is for the tree. So yeah, everything is pretty much figured out. I just need to organize it and put it in new bins because I'm having issues with, see the mice? Like you can tell like they were biting on this. Like that might have been broken already, but like you can see the little bits right here. They was biting on something. Well, they was biting on that. So yeah, y'all, we about to get to it. I'm trying to get this done before it gets dark. It's windy today, but it's not supposed to rain or anything. It's not supposed to snow. So I really want to like get to this. So yeah. Oh, let me show y'all what's out here. So like I organized it. So like this is all the Mel's stuff right here. Her diaper pail. We won't have to buy another one of those. Her dirt bike is over there. This is like Halloween, Christmas stuff right there. This is party stuff right here. And then I'm leaving the Halloween stuff up against that. But all of my party stuff is right here. And then in these totes right here too. So we're gonna get everything together. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Y'all, why did it start raining? And I'm trying to figure out, it said it's supposed to rain till 3. I'm trying to figure out if I should just push through it and keep working, because it's just drizzling right now, or if I should take my butt inside. I feel like I can work in the shed though. I think that's what I'm really about to do, because I was on a roll for real and I don't want anything to stop me. So I think I'm just gonna work in the shed. Okay guys, y'all, I'm back up this morning. Sorry y'all, but yeah, it got dark and I couldn't really see and stuff like that, but I'm gonna show y'all so far what it looks like. I do need to finish organizing, but it's pretty much like done. I'll probably be out here for like another 45 minutes and then I'll be done. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So I'm gonna put my totes over here. Onyx moved his stuff that was over here, so I'm gonna break these things down and push those back and all of that so that I can just stack up all of my totes over there. Hold on, let me show y'all. Alright, so y'all got all this stuff cleaned out. I want to show y'all this side real quick before I start moving this stuff over. So over here is the old stuff that I was telling you about, Mel's old stuff. So her old mattress, her crib is back there. The playpen mattress, and that's the playpen, her car seat. This is a roaster that I have, a bag, and then a little vacuum cleaner for my car. I'm gonna put my totes over here, and then I got my suitcase, but I'm gonna stack all my totes up right here. And I'm gonna slide these, because they're heavy, I'm gonna slide them over here. And I'm gonna move that over here, I think, so that I can still get to all of this stuff. Alright. Alright, y'all, so on this side, I have like all of my little containers like this. Some more back here. Some Easter eggs that I really couldn't put anywhere in the scoops. I got my what is this called? Dispensers. I got my sewing machine back there, my sewing stuff right here, because this wouldn't fit down there with my other sewing stuff. These gotta go in a container. An electric, it's an extension cord. Sorry, y'all. Alright, y'all, so these are all of my white and gold, like plates, forks, cups, napkins, all that type of stuff. This is all of my colored stuff, like napkins, forks, plates, cups, all of that type of stuff. This is my other sewing stuff down here. These are both of the moon bounces. I want to keep them close to the front because they're heavy. And then the pumps are over there in the corner. These are all like the games, I don't know, we have for the kids. All the bubbles and outside things. These are all of our catering things. This right here is not going to stay here, but the metal racks and the pans. The little pans are right here. The big pans are back there with the rest of the metal racks. And then the star nose. Then I have up here, like, these are my clear trays and some serving utensils and things. All of my black and silver forks and knives and stuff. My clear and silver. These honestly probably for real can go in here, but I'm gonna just leave them here. But these are more like serving utensils. These are all my shooters. Like these, the rest of these are about to go in there. These are my gold. These are my gold forks and stuff. I got some balloon stuff right here. More balloon stuff back there. These are all of my balloons. I just put them in here because, yeah. So this is what it's looking like right now. Got my suitcase. I'm about to put the totes over there, out the way. And I can stack them like, you know, like 2 right here. It's wet right there. Sorry, y'all. But like 2 or 3. Honestly, we could put like 3 right here. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far, y'all. Y'all, I am finally done. Oh my god. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all because it's so organized and I'm so happy. Alright, let me show y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Alright. Alright, so when you walk in over to the right, it looks like this. Everything is labeled, so we have the serving trays and bowls, etc. Plastic tablecloths, runners, and more balloons. Safari and 90s theme, and down there is a rose theme. Down there is Halloween stuff, Easter stuff, and Alice in Wonderland, pink Christmas and white snow. And then this is just extra totes. I have like a Supergirl theme bag of stuff up there. This is for next summer for the wasps that we have out here. This is this thing that I got from Aldi, but I don't think I'm ever going to use it. It's like a little canopy type of thing. And then I have both of Mel's chairs right here. My tallest both of my tallest chairs right here for like when we go outside and stuff like that. This is my YouTube stuff that I don't really use. It's more for like a photo shoot for real. Our suitcases when we travel. Mel's dirt bike, Mel's little bumper car. Those are my tablecloths and chair covers. This right here is a tote of me and Onyx's stuff, but child, I don't know. That's gonna have to go through later. I went through some of the stuff, but most of the stuff, I think we're just keeping it. This is more Mel's baby stuff in here. This is for the chairs, the lounge chairs outside. I showed y'all the stuff over here. This is the Christmas tree skirt thingy, but I don't think we're gonna use that this year. I already have a skirt for the tree. And then Mel's baby stuff, but I showed y'all that stuff. Her crib stuff, her little hula hoops, Halloween stuff over there that won't fit in the tote. Her little scooter and bubble lawnmower. I showed y'all this stuff over here for real, but this is what it looks like. And this is the giant like Jenga thing that I'm gonna try to pull out this summer. I'm definitely gonna try to pull it out. But yes, y'all, so this is my shed. Nice and organized. I can walk up in there. I can put more stuff in there. Mel has a little car that I need to put in here so I could get it out of Onyx's shed. Y'all see all my trash? So I threw away a lot of my sewing stuff, like fabric. I had loads and loads and loads of fabric, y'all. I put it in my trunk. I'm gonna give it away because I'm not gonna do anything with it. This PVC pipe that I freaking was going to make like a balloon little box for, I'm not gonna use that. These totes that I had got, but they're like all broken, so we're just gonna toss those because they're no good. But this is all my trash. All my trash. This stuff, these right here, I'm gonna give him the Onyx for his shed because he has a whole nother shed in the back. He has a whole nother shed in the back, and if he wants these, then he can have them. If not, I'm gonna toss them. These are his little practice jerseys that I think he forgot. I think he thought that they were Mel's diapers or something. I told him he could have these totes if he wants them. If he doesn't, I'm gonna toss them. If he wants this little rack thing, if he wants it, he can have it. If he doesn't, he can toss it. And this, I don't know what this is. I think this is his. This ain't mine. It's some like powder stuff. It's like cement something. I don't know. But y'all, I am finally done. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, my shed is organized and it's together. I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. All right, y'all. I will see you on the next vlog. Bye, guys.